Hey guys, so before I tidy away these few bits that I got for Christmas, I thought I'd show you what I got. There's loads of stuff missing, like I definitely got like vouchers and money and other stuff as well, but I'll just show you like these bits because they're the only things that are interesting. I don't need to like say my auntie got me this, this and this or blah blah. So they're all just like bits that you might be interested in because some of them are gorge. Okay, so Con got me these slippers. First of all, me and Con just decided to do like practical, not huge gifts this year because we had so much stuff to buy for the baby and whatever, and it just felt like such a waste to just buy stuff for the sake of it. So we just were like, what do you want? Sorry guys, my camera just is not cooperating. I think it just has too much stuff in it and I've deleted stuff and it's not working, so I probably need to like plug it into my laptop and properly delete it. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what's going on, but hopefully it's fine. Yeah, so Con got me these slippers. They're Next and they're so nice. I've literally been wearing these slippers for years. They're like such a good Ugg dupe. Dunnes has similar ones as well, and I actually saw really nice ones in Tesco. But yeah, I live in slippers because I hate wearing shoes around the house, but I also hate when my socks just get like dirty, and it's just handy as well in case you need to like run out with the bin. I don't know. So yeah, I love wearing slippers at home. I wear them literally most of the day. And yeah, these ones are great. They're so fluffy. I can't even remember what else he got me. He got me like Reese's and loads of stuff that I like. That's probably all in my like Christmas Day vlog. But and then he also got me this perfume, which is Flash Jimmy Choo, and oh my god, I just love the smell of this. I think it's just like nostalgic to me because I used to wear it when I was younger. It just reminds me of being like 18 and getting ready to go out and like the excitement of it. I don't know, it's so nice. But like I'd definitely like, it's definitely still one that I'd wear now. It's like, it's a real like evening smell. I love it. It's so nice. It's so strong as well. Like it lasts so well, and it's so reasonable. Like it's nearly always reduced nowadays, so it's gorgeous. Get on that. And then I've got, oh, everything's a bit all over the place, to be honest. Very all over the place. I've got a few bits from my friend Aoife. She got me this ritual set. I'm obsessed with rituals. You literally cannot beat it. It's so luxurious, isn't it? I love it so much, and I've just finished off like my like body wash and stuff that I have from rituals at the moment, so I'm delighted. It was perfect timing. Then she also got this for the baby. It's gorgeous. It's 0 to 3 months, and it's actually really handy because you can definitely get longer than that out of it because it's like not feet at the bottom, but you can make it have feet if you go like that. So it's very handy and I just love it. I feel like 0 to 3 months it's perfect as well because this will be like what the baby will be wearing in like spring coming into summer. It's just so cute, so different. I really like it. It's Bambi Mini Co is the brand. I'm not sure where she got it though. Probably TK Maxx because I feel like she gets like, she always gets really good baby stuff in TK Maxx, like designer bits and like, or like branded, you know, like different kind of bits to like, do you know how like Next and Dunnes and Pennies, who I all adore by the way, but like they all have very similar stock, but you get like different bits in there, especially for gifts because they have really nice like sets and stuff. So yeah, and then she also got me this little headband as well for the baby. So cute. It's giving summer vibes as well. So sweet and so stretchy. Like my brother got me such really nice stuff. Like he got me Charlotte Tilbury skincare, which I've never had. I have got some bits of her makeup, but like I don't know, I just don't treat myself especially to skincare like I really should. What the hell is wrong with me? But yeah, if I like this, it's the sort of thing that I probably like ask people for. Like say if Connor asked me again next year what I wanted for Christmas, I'd tell him this. But it's Charlotte's Iconic Magic Mini Set, so I'm so excited now. I get to try the 2 of these. So it's the Magic Cream and the Magic Serum. So I'm so excited about that. How nice though, like for, especially after I've had the baby, I feel like I'll need all the like luxurious products to make me feel good about myself. And then he got me 2 pairs of these socks from Dunn's. They're cashmere blend luxury socks, which I have so many times wanted to put these on and then been like, no, I'll just keep them in their packaging so I can show them. But they just are like the perfect Ugg socks. I love. He got me a little mini Elemis cleansing balm, which I always hear is amazing, and I've never got to try it as well. So I'm guessing my brother's girlfriend might have given him a hand. Although I know my mom really likes the Charlotte Tilbury skincare, and she's definitely asked him for them before, so he might have known that one on his own. I don't know. My other brother got me this, which is gorge. I love these. They're like flat lay makeup bags, and I think it's just a nice black one, which is gorgeous. I've got a pink one at the moment that I've had for a while, so I feel like this one will be nice. Yeah, this is a gorgeous looking one. So nice. I actually might use it as my wash bag for the hospital first. Anyway, yeah, this is like how it opens out. It's so good. You can find all your makeup in it, and then you like just pull this to tighten it. It's gorgeous. I love that. Sorry, it went a bit dark and dull there. So I turned on the light. Then my brother also got this for the baby, and it's so cute. I hope it fits. It looks so tiny. I'm like, how will anyone ever fit into that? But it's so gorgeous. It's from Next. There's like little mittens built in and everything. It's literally a teddy bear. Literally a teddy bear. So yeah, it's so cute. The ears and everything. So I can't wait. Probably put the baby in that on the way home from the hospital, to be honest. Hi, Bobby. Some pajamas from Connor's mom. Oh, my mum and dad got me these shoes that I'm obsessed with. They're so nice. Did a great job picking them. They're gorgeous colours. Love them. And I love the leg platform. And I live in my Adidas Samba, so I will definitely live in them. And then my mum also got me this trench coat that I actually am yet to try on, and I hope will fit me. But I love a trench coat, so I'm delighted. It's from New Look, but I think she got it on ASOS. Yeah, looks like the perfect trench. I just hope it's good fit. Because I like kind of oversized. Yeah, that's all that I have gathered here to show you. So yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of it. Good morning. As you can hear, the Hoover and everything has started downstairs. Con's down there taking down the decorations. I'm just out of the shower. For the record, I'm going down to help now. But yeah, he literally was like, I'm dreading taking down the decorations the second we woke up this morning, which fair, so am I. But it's a miserable day, so I feel like we may as well. It's a day you already know my parents would kill me. But yeah, I'm just doing it today because Con's back to work tomorrow. I don't know if I have it in me to get them all down myself. I definitely can't put them up in the attic myself. So yeah, but anyway, let's go down and see what chaos is going on down there. But I'm looking forward to having a clean house and getting into nesting mode now and getting everything organised and clean and sorted for the baby, because it's less than a month till my due date, so I just want everything to be spotless and organised. Whoa, Con, you're Speedy Gonzales. Holy shit. Everything's gone, Bobby. Holy crap.